I want to share with you the most incredible deal on a macaw I've ever seen. Cheaper than a baby, cheaper than an adult. Check this out. At Walmart, they have, come here, come, don't be shy. This incredible, beautiful scarlet macaw for just $27. You don't have to feed it. You don't have to clean poop or take it to the vet, and it will be cuddly and friendly and all yours. So if you're looking for a giant, friendly macaw, check out the $27 macaw at Walmart in the Valentine's Day section. I'm Michael Saz, the Parrot Wizard. Check out all my Parrot Wizard videos at parrotwizard.com. All right, let's grab our macaws and go.